गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ यू ऑल आर? फाइन। आज हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं चैप्टर नंबर 9, पॉलिटिकल रूलर्स ऑफ 18th सेंचुरी। दिस द 18th century in India was marked by many political upheavals. upheavals. After the death of Aurangzeb in 1707 AD, India was divided into many smaller states. Let's study about it. The last ruler of the Mughal dynasty. After the death of Aurangzeb, the last ruler of the Mughal dynasty, a sultan named Bahadur Shah, came to the Mughal throne and established peaceful relation with the Rajput and the Maratha kingdoms. However, he plotted inheritance was war between the Marathas also. In this time, after the death of Guru Gobind Singh, Sikh Sardar Banda Bahadur revolted against the Mughal Empire. After the death of Bahadur Shah in 1712 AD, Jahandar Shah came to the throne. In 1713 AD, he was overthrown by Farrukhsiyar. At this time, two brothers known as Sayyid brothers dominated the empire. They removed Farrukhsiyar from the throne and made Muhammad Shah the king. He ruled for a long time. During his time, Nadir Shah of Iran invaded India in 1739 AD, who gave a heavy blow to the Mughal Empire. Shah Alam II, who came to the throne in 1759 AD, was defeated by the Britishers in the Battle of Buxar and made a pensioner of the company Bengal. Murshid Qali Khan and Alivardi Khan established an independent state in Bengal in 1757 AD. Sirajuddaulah became the Nawab of Bengal. The Battle of Plassey took between Nawab of Bengal and East India Company in 1757 AD. Underline. With the victory of this battle, the Britishers acquired the 24 परगनाज. परगनाज किसको बोलते हैं बेटा? जो बड़े बड़े स्टेट्स के जो छोटे छोटे हिस्से होते हैं ना, उसको परगनाज बोलते हैं. आफ्टर द बैटल ऑफ प्लासी, मीर जाफर वॉज dethroned एंड मीर कासिम वॉज मेड द नवाब ऑफ बंगाल. जब ये प्लासी का युद्ध हुआ, उसके बाद में क्या हुआ कि मीर जाफ़र को जो है वो शासक पद से हटा दिया गया और मीर कासिम को जो है वो बंगाल का नवाब बना दिया गया. ही फाउट द बैटल ऑफ बक्सर अगेंस्ट द ब्रिटिशर्स विद द हेल्प ऑफ नवाब ऑफ अवध एंड मुगल एम्पायर वॉज but was defeated. The brought an end to the Nawab rule of in Bengal. The victory of this war established the rule of British East India Company in Bengal. राजपूत स्टेट्स. अब राजपूत स्टेट्स के, अभी तक आप किसके बारे में पढ़ रहे थे? मुगल साम्राज्य के बारे में पढ़ रहे थे, मुगल डायनेस्टीज के बारे में. अब पढ़ेंगे राजपूत एरा, राजपूत स्टेट्स के बारे में. आफ्टर द फॉल ऑफ द मुगल एम्पायर, जयपुर वॉज द मोस्ट पावरफुल. अंडरलाइन. जयपुर वॉज द मोस्ट पावरफुल स्टेट इन राजस्थान, जो प्रेजेंटली क्या है, राजस्थान की राजधानी भी है. राजा सवाई जय सिंह. अंडरलाइन. राजा सवाई जय सिंह वॉज efficient statesman, reformer, jurist, and science lover. He founded the city of Jaipur. Underline. He founded the city of Jaipur. अगर आपसे पूछा जाए कि who was the founded of the Jaipur, तो राजा सवाई जय सिंह. Okay. He was a great astronomer. Astronomer, ज्योतिषाचार्य. Okay. He set up modern observatories in Delhi, Jaipur, Ujjain, and Mathura. Other important Rajput states were Jodhpur, Bikaner, Kota, Mewar, Bundi, and Siroi. The Sikh Empire. Guru Nanak founded Sikkim in 15th century. Sikhism is associated with the Guru tradition in which the 10th Gurus were born. Underline. Sikkim is associated with the Guru tradition in which the 10th Gurus were born. The 10th Guru, Guru Gobind Singh, underline. The 10th Guru, Guru Gobind Singh, united the Sikh and established the Sikh state. After Guru Gobind Singh, Banda Bahadur staged a fierce revolt against the Mughal Empire. The Sikh were divided into 12 groups. Ranjit Singh, a powerful leader of Sukhar Chakia clan, developed the Sikh Empire. He conquered Lahore, Amritsar, Kashmir, Peshawar, and Multan and established a vast territory of the Sikh Empire. His army consists of the European general and soldier. He made his army as modern as the army of Europe. In Lahore, he set up a cannon factory. He was religiously liberal. However, after his death, the Britishers annexed the Sikh Empire in 1849 AD. The Marathas Empire. Chhatrapati Shivaji is at the forefront of the great ruler of the 17th century. Shivaji created an independent state by troubling the Sultan of Bijapur, the Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb, and the Portuguese, etc. Under the leadership of Chhatrapati Shivaji, Marathas adopted guerrilla warfare इन द साउथ. गुरिल्ला वारफेयर किसको बोलते हैं बेटा? जो गुरिल्लाओं की तरह यानी छुप करके जो वार किए जाते हैं उसको गुरिल्ला वारफेयर बोला जाता है. He established an efficient, systematic and democratic regime of an independent state. Along with these achievements, Shivaji's noble character and generous policies were also included. After Chhatrapati Shivaji, Shivaji's grandson Shahuji was imprisoned by Aurangzeb. After 1707 AD, when Shahuji was released, an inheritance conflict broke out between him and his aunt Tarabai. Peshwa Balaji Vishwanath, associated with Shahuji, helped him in his conquest. Peshwa practice began in the Marathas kingdom from his time. Balaji Vishwanath was the first Peshwa. Underline, Balaji Vishwanath was the first Peshwa. He developed Marathas kingdom and took all the powers in his hand. In 1720 AD, when he died, his son Bajirao I became the Peshwa. He was a skilled warrior and a shrewd politician. Shrewd politician यानी का तेज तर्राज पॉलिटिशियन, जो हर तरह की बारीक से बारीक किस्म की जो जानकारी रखता हो उसको बोलते हैं. ही मर्ज्ड मैनी मुगल टेररिस्ट इनटू द मराठाज एम्पायर. उन्होंने छोटे से छोटे जो मुगल छोटे छोटे जो टुकड़े थे, ठीक है, उन सबको मराठा एम्पायर में बढ़ा करके अपने मराठा जो स्टेट था उसको एक्सपांडेड कर दिया, यानी बढ़ा दिया. He conquered Malwa, Gujarat and Bundelkhand. Not only this, he defeated the Nizam of Hyderabad also. He transformed Maharashtra into a great Maratha empire. After his death in 1740 AD, his son Balaji Bajirao became the Peshwa. He achieved victories from Bengal to Mysore. Iran's Ahmad Shah Abdalis invaded India 1761 AD. The third battle of Panipat took place between the Marathas and Ahmad Shah Abdali, in the which Marathas were defeated. Balaji Bajirao died after hearing the ट्रांसमेटिक न्यूज़. ट्रांसमेटिक न्यूज़ का मतलब आकस्मिक न्यूज़ सुनना, अचानक से न्यूज़ को सुनना. दिस वॉर वीकेंड द मराठास एज अ रिजल्ट द ब्रिटिश पावर रोज इन इंडिया। जैसे ये न्यूज़ सुनने के बाद में जब मराठाओं का शासन खत्म हुआ तो धीरे धीरे ब्रिटिश लोग जो है वो यहाँ पे भारत में जागरूक हो गए, यानी कि उनका शासन बढ़ने लग गया। कहने का मतलब ये है कि अगर मराठा रह जाते तो मराठाओं में अगर ये नहीं होता तो क्या होता, ब्रिटिश लोग जो है वो कभी भी हमारे देश पे शासन नहीं कर सकते थे। ओके, ये टेक्स्ट बुक की एक्सरसाइज करेंगे। आपको कोई भी दिक्कत होती है तो फील फ्री आस्क मी। इस चैप्टर को रीड करना बहुत इजी है बेटा। नाउ बाय।